Up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we're going to be working with Megalook hair, and y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all. Megalook is starting to become one of my favorite hair companies. First things first, y'all, the wig is giving flat. Like, they hair, and y'all, I'm not even joking, like, all jokes aside, they hair is silky AF, y'all. I kept playing in the hair. You guys want to see the video, like, I literally kept playing with the hair. Megalook is really becoming one of my favorite hair companies, because, baby, this wig, the lace, bro, is hitting. Like, I'm shocked right now. Yeah, I went ahead and I glued this wig down because I already know the lace was going to give what it's supposed to give. Like, I had to glue this wig down because, baby, it had to get scalped. Like, it had to get scalped. It was going to get scalped if I did glue this, but, baby, I feel like I really had to glue down this wig because I just knew this wig was going to body y'all. And I went ahead and I did the dramatic baby hairs. I be seeing a lot of girls doing Instagram. I just wanted to try, like, the long baby hairs. And I'm feeling it. I'm jacking it. I'm jacking it. But I was sent a 13x4 22-inch balayage, y'all. I don't know what balayage is, and I never had a balayage wig, but y'all, this balayage is hitting. It's giving highlights. Like, I've had highlighted wigs, but this is different from highlight wigs. Like, I've never had like a balayage wig, and y'all, I love it. Like, it makes me want to do this on my real hair. Like, I'm loving this balayage look. And it's transparent lace, y'all. But you would have thought it was HD. Because, baby, this lace is melted. This lace is melted. Nah, y'all, I really love this hair. I really love this wig. My number one things I could say I love about a wig is the lace and how the hair feels before I even straighten it. That's when I know, like, the wig is about to hit different. If that wig already has that silky feel, y'all, just know the straightening process is going to be chef's kiss. Literally, like, it's going to be the icing on the cake. This wig, I already knew. This wig about to be fire. Y'all, this wig is everything. If you guys are interested on how I got this look, you guys already know. Continue watching. If you want the same exact wig, the link is going to be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.